What is going on, guys? So today I just bought this 2018 Mustang GT from Copart, and today I'm just going to be showing you guys me picking it up from the auction and doing a little bit of repairs on it. And so yeah, let's get straight into the day and let's get straight to it. All right, guys, we're here at Copart. Just waiting to pick up the car. I picked up the title, one in the office, so I was waiting for them to bring the car out, and I got the tow truck guy coming. So we're gonna load it up once the car comes up. Alright, guys, we got it loaded up. 5.0 2018 10 speed. It's already got lowering springs on it. So yeah, once we get it to the house, clean it up and then start tearing it apart. Alrighty, guys, I got the Mustang here at home. Just gonna clean it up first, give it a little bit of a wash, and then we'll go from there. Just get a clean surface to work on while we're working on the car. So yeah, let me set up the camera for you guys, and then we're gonna get ahead and start cleaning it. Alright, guys, so I just got all the wires tucked in. I taped them up. We'll spraying it down with water just so they don't get messed up. And yeah, I got the bucket set up. I don't have my power washer here with me, so I'm just gonna have to work with this. And yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna start washing the car and see you guys now. Alright, guys, so I got the Mustang all cleaned up. Got the wheels a little bit cleaned up as well. Yeah, now you guys can see the paint. It's that blue paint with the metallic in it. So yeah, now we're gonna start taking off this wheel right here and figure out what's all broken under there, and then figure out what parts we need, and then we'll go from there. So yeah, as you guys can see from the damage, it was hit, I guess, right on. I exactly don't know what happened. Maybe he ran over a curve, but yeah, the hood got bent a little bit. Maybe hit something. I'm not sure if it was the impact from a car. And then the wheel got bent a little bit. And if you guys notice, the frame looks pretty much good on it. Maybe a little bit of tweaked. But yeah, we'll figure all that out with measurements. But right now we're going to focus on getting the wheel off and getting the suspension components figured out. That way we can at least get it running. guys, so we just threw the tire back on. So as of right now, what we're seeing is we're gonna need a new shock and a front sway bar link because it's bent. It's pushed back from the accident. So we're gonna do that first, put that on, and then see how it's running and everything, if it's driving straight or crooked, and then we'll start working on the frame after that and doing some measurements. Once I get it driving, I can either take it to a frame shop or see if I can do it myself. All right guys, so I got the battery for the Mustang, I got the shock and strut, and then I got the sway bar link. That's pretty much what I noticed so far on the Mustang that was broken. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace that. You guys can notice the tire up there, it's crooked. So we're gonna start working on that, see what that does. But yeah, let me pull the parts out and start disassembling and assembling the new parts. All right guys, I just put the new battery in. Start disassembling the wheel and disassembling the shock and the sway bar link. So yeah, let me get started on that. All right guys, so I got the shock and strut replaced. I had iBox lowering springs on it already, so let's do that back on. Got a new, I don't know if this is like the torsion arm, and then sway bar link, we replaced that as well. And yeah, so now I'm gonna throw the tire back on and then see how it dries. As you guys noticed in the beginning, the wheel was real crooked. So yeah, let me throw the wheel back on. All right guys, well, that's gonna be it for today's video. As you guys seen, we got the suspension components done. So the next video will probably be just working on the body parts now. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like, and stick around for the build, and I'll see you guys in the next video.